This cascading entrance animation looks like it needs JavaScript to time each item. It doesn't. Two CSS properties handle all of it, and I'll show you a trick that makes it work on lists of any length without writing more CSS. This is one of the most polished UI details you can add to a page. Cards, nav items, feature lists, anything that enters the screen sequentially feels much more alive than things popping in all at once. The effect has two ingredients, an animation and a delay. Every item runs the same animation, say fade in and slide up. The only thing that's different between each item is when it starts. Item 1 starts at 0.1 seconds, item 2 at 0.2 seconds, item 3 at 0.3 seconds, and so on. That offset is animation-delay, and we apply a different value to each item using nth-child selectors. Notice forwards on the animation. That tells the browser to keep the end state, opacity 1, after the animation finishes. Without forwards, the item would snap back to invisible. Now the stagger. Each item is offset by 100 milliseconds. Simple and effective. But here's the problem with that approach. If your list has 20 items, you need to write 20 CSS rules. And if it's dynamically generated, like from an API, you don't even know how many items there will be. The solution? CSS custom properties. Instead of hard-coding delays for each child, we use a CSS variable //I as an index. Then in the HTML, or your JavaScript template, you set that variable on each item. The calc function multiplies the index by your delay unit, 100 milliseconds in this case. Item 1 waits 100 milliseconds, item 2 waits 200 milliseconds, and so on. And now your CSS doesn't need to change, no matter how many items you add. Beautiful. Ease. Natural. A bit soft. Good default. Cubic Bezier. This is an ease-out expo curve. It starts fast and decelerates smoothly. The most premium feel for entrance animations. Spring. Not a CSS value, but if you're layering in a tiny bit of JavaScript later, spring physics feels very natural. For staggered lists, I recommend this Cubic Bezier. It gives each item a little burst of energy on entry. Quick overview of directions you can stagger from. From left, translate x -20 pixels to translate x 0. From below, translate y 30 pixels to translate y 0. Great for cards. Scale up, scale 0.8 to scale 1. Great for grid items. Fade only, just opacity 0 to opacity 1. Subtle but clean. Reminder, staggered animations, one keyframe, incremented delays, CSS custom properties for scalability. That's episode 7. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.